I never thought that putting a lemon peel behind the door would do this. Once you learn this trick, you will not stop applying it in your house, and you will thank me all your life. Lemon is one of the most consumed fruits in the world. That is why today I have selected some great tricks to use the lemon peel that will help you in your day-to-day. For most homes, bugs, insects, and pests are a real nuisance. Many people buy repellents and insecticides to eliminate these bugs, but this is not the best option, since these products contain ingredients that are toxic and harmful to some people. But do not worry, because with these tricks you will never again have bug problems in your home. The first thing you should do is take a lemon that you normally have in your refrigerator. With the help of a knife, we are going to peel it. I would like to know from which country you are watching me to send you a special greeting in my next video. Today's greeting is for Richard Rivera from Puerto Rico. A big hug. The peel that we have just peeled can be used in 3 ways. The first way is to hang it on the door in this way. The lemon peel contains a high amount of citric acid that repels insects due to its strong smell. And although the lemon peel has a lot of citric acid, the lemon peel contains a high amount of citric acid that repels insects due to its strong smell. And although it is true that it is not the most aesthetic way, it works very well. The second way in which this can be used is by wrapping it in towel paper and sealing it with an elastic band. This way is more practical, and you can place it in the living room, or any other place where you know that insects are around. This way is more practical, and you can place it in the living room, or any other place where you know that insects are around. The third way is using it as a homemade flavoring. Take a glass container and add the lemon peels. Then add 100 milliliters of liquid alcohol and let it rest for 3 days. After this time, you can place it anywhere and even pour it into the air conditioner diffuser. This will give an exquisite aroma to your home. If you got here, leave me the phrase, so I will use the lemon. This way I will know that you watched all the content.